we look into SightSpeak app. After logging into your mobile, it will look like this. After deploying our FAQ will look like this. Through plus symbol you can expand it. Below its pagination will show. For creating a new FAQ, create FAQ button. Then it will open and pop up. Add FAQ title and description, then save it. Go to that page. See, it's added your FAQ. For update it, click on pencil symbol. It will open a pop-up. Make some changes, then click on save button. Go to that page. See, it's updated your record. For delete it, click on delete icon. It will open a delete pop-up like this. If you want, then delete it. I will delete this record. Click on delete button. Now go to that page. See, it's deleted your record. Now I will show our FAQ as a non-logged user in mobile. Log out from your website. See, for non-logged user, create, edit and delete controls not appearing, but they can expand it, and pagination will also work. So this is how it will look on your mobile. It's fully mobile responsive. You can buy this from DNN store. Thanks for watching this demo.